It's so great to be introduced to the concept of worldview for a young person, because suddenly you realize that this word of God and these doctrines, they exist in this system of faith and life, right?
Yeah.
They exist, they're tied together, they're coherent, they're logical, they're rational, and they're still personal and devotional, right? They exist in a system of belief, right? And when you first start learning about worldviews and interpreting the world in a holistically scriptural way, interpreting the Bible with good hermeneutics, good methods of interpretation, that like blows everything up for you, because you realize the world isn't just full of random ideas picked here and there that are either true or false. You're looking at everything with a certain point of view that encompasses your whole life. If you have a Christian worldview, it's so much easier to tackle so many difficult philosophical and theological questions, because you're actually thinking in a way that centers God in the whole of the world.